Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can transfer your contacts from your iPhone to Android. There are multiple ways that you can transfer your contacts from iPhone to your Android, but the most easiest one is you just need to find this app, the contact app, into your phone. And after finding the app, just tap on this app and you see that it will show you all the contacts you have stored, like in iCloud or all on your Gmail or in your all contact list. What I'm doing here is I'm just tapping and holding it over, and it will show you the option of export. Just tap on it and you can export. You can select all what you have to select the prefixes or the columns. Just keep done, and now it shows you that it will send the file through like you can send it over WhatsApp, or you can send it to Gmail. If you send it with the Gmail, what it will do, it will automatically send in a format of VCF. It means that it will send you in a contact format, and if you download it or open it from another Android phone, and it will automatically download all the contacts to your phone. It with just a button click. So that's how you can actually send the contacts to your Android phone or send to any other guy if you are recovering your phone. I hope this video help out in issue, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, bye bye.